The question asked in one of the interviews was, how would you sort and filter the data given over here in Power Query in Excel in a snap? Let me show you how you can do that. So first you see the sheet. We are having the list of team names, their first name, last name, and their years contributed. Now we'll first take this data into Power Query. So we'll right click over here and we'll select Get Data from Table Range. Then ensure that there is a tick mark next to My Table has headers and click on OK. Now this will start the Power Query editor. Now let us assume that I want to filter this data based on Blue Herons team. I want to see only Blue Herons. So click on this drop down over here and just select all and click on Blue Herons and click on OK. And now you have successfully filtered the data based on Blue Herons. If you want to get your entire data back again, click back over here and select all and click on OK. And now you'll be able to see all the data. Now let's assume that I want to sort the data based on team, then year, then last name and first name. So let us see how this works. So for this, first ensure that the team name is selected and then click on ascending. So it will sort it based on the team in ascending. Then click on year and again click on ascending. So it has sorted it now based on team and within team based on year. Then click on last name and again click on sort ascending. And finally click on first name and then click on ascending. So we have sorted the data based on team, year, last name and first name in ascending order. Now let us see how to filter the data. Suppose I want to filter this data based on I want to see only Blue Herons and the Goblins team who have contributed greater than 3 years. So here's what we'll do. We'll click on the drop down of team like this and click on text filter and select begins with. Then we'll click on advanced. Then we'll select team and then select equals and then select Blue Herons. And from here select or team equals Goblins. Okay, and then we'll click on OK. So now you can see it shows you only Blue Herons and Goblins. And we want to see all those records in which the years contributed is greater than or equal to 3. So we click on this drop down for year and click on number filters and select greater than or equal to, and over here we select 3 and click on OK. So these are the 7 records in which the team name is Blue Herons or Goblins and the years contributed is greater than or equal to 3. So friends, in this particular video tutorial, we have seen everything about sort and filter in Power Query in Excel. If you want this data back to Excel, just click on Close and Load. And this will send the data of those 7 records back to Excel into a new sheet. So your original sheet is this and the Power Query result is this sheet. We'll see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.